This is $200 worth of Pakistani rupee notes, and today I'll be rewarding unsuspecting Pakistanis with $20 bills for their services. Whether it's an apple, a massage, a shoe shine, or even a burger worth just 50 cents, I'm paying $20.
First thing that I saw is a massage, and there's a guy getting a massage right in front of me here. Maybe we can get a massage for 5,000 rupees or whatever he's getting. Assalamu alaikum. Is this a massage? Can I get also massage? Yeah? I need to wait?
While waiting for my turn, I met a couple of friendly Pakistanis.
How are you?
From?
I'm from Europe.
Europe.
Yeah. I'm gonna get a massage.
Oh.
Best massage? Wow, I can see he's very good with his hands.
Then it was my turn to get oiled up and feel the man's hands on my body.
Okay, he's applying some kind of cream, has a little eucalyptus smell. Now he's starting some massage. Oh, it feels really good. Look at how skillfully he's moving with his hands. True professional right here. Oh, he's hitting all the spots, bro. He's using his whole body weight. As you can see, he's even standing. He's even massaging my palm.
Apparently, the body massage was only the start. Next came the head massage.
Oh, he's like a DJ. Oh, I didn't know I need this.
After a good head scratch, I had to lie down, and he even gave me a little calf massage. I didn't expect all of that from a simple massage.
Shukriya, very nice.
Let's see what kind of price he asked for it.
1,000? No. Give you 5,000. Okay? It's for you. Shukriya.
$20 spent, 9 more notes left to give out. I felt like having some Pakistani tea, maybe buying out a whole burger stall, and who knows, maybe even seeing some Pakistanis arguing in the background while I do it. And you'll see all of that later in the video. But for now, I came across a little apple stand and tried to convince a man to sell me just one apple.
I just want one apple. Kitne rupee one apple?
150.
Give.
No, I want to pay for one apple. How much for one apple? Can he tell me how much for one apple?
Both how much more 10 rupees only.
10 rupees. Okay. Can you tell him that I'm spreading happiness today? This is for you, bro. This is for you. This is for one apple. Shukriya. Shukriya. This is for one apple.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
Shukriya, boss.
Allah khush rakhe.
Okay.
Allah tumhe abad rakhe. God bless.
Thank you so much. Where can I wash the apple?
Watch this.
Oh, wash there. Okay. Shukriya.
Allah khush rakhe. Tumhe acha
Ada Hafiz.
Finally, I got my golden apple. Let's see how it tastes. Of course, I have to wash it first. I'm not an animal.
Wow. This is insane.
Out of nowhere, I smelled something nice. Strange. Well, since I'm in Pakistan. No, I'm only joking. Pakistan is super clean. But the perfume stand was right in front of me. So I thought, why not grab one for the ladies?
You selling perfume? David Beckham. David Beckham.
David Beckham, 60.
Yeah. I'm gonna smell like David Beckham. Okay. Wow, this is very nice. Can I see here? I don't know if I ever smelled David Beckham, but it definitely smells good. Do you have any other?
300,
Yeah.
600, 1200.
Do you have Angelina Jolie?
Anjali.
Angelina Jolie. Oh, this is Angelina Jolie. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. This smells a lot more feminine. Do you make the perfume yourself? Okay, can I get David Beckham for 200?
Get 300.
300, okay. Price? 300? No. I give 5,000. Okay?
5,000.
Yeah. For this. Okay? Okay. One. Thank you. Shukriya. Shukriya. Have a good day.
And since I was already smelling nice, why not look fresh at the same time? And Pakistan has you covered, as there are shoe cleaners on every corner.
Assalamu alaikum. Can I get my shoes cleaned?
Yeah, you can get them clean.
All right, this is how they look before. Look at that. Dirty shoes. So he completely removed the laces and he's gonna clean it very, very meticulously. Look at that. So they're just using a simple brush to clean off the dust, I guess. Yeah, so he's gonna use the water right now to clean up all the dust and make it a little bit more wet. It's easier to clean with the soap. So he's just going around the shoe now and it's getting all shiny. So look at that, he's using the fingers to finish out the polish, to give it that smooth, smooth shininess. He's even cleaning the shoelaces. Look at that, guys. I mean, I can even see my own reflection of the shoe, bro. This is like new. This guy did a great job. But it almost took him like a half an hour. Wow, shukriya. I literally got new shoes. Kitne paisa?
200 rupees.
Oh. Nahi. I give you 5,000. Okay? Okay? Okay, I give you 5,000. It's okay? Okay, shukriya. Shukriya. Bye bye. Shukriya. Nice to meet you. Khuda Hafiz. Sada Hafiz. All right, another 5,000 spent correctly. These were good people. He was really taking care of my shoes. And imagine, he wanted only 100 rupees. That's literally 30 cents. He worked for half an hour for 30 cents. Well, I gave him 5,000, but still, imagine how little they make.
Walking further, I saw something that looked like ice cream. So of course, I got that too.
Ice cream? Ice cream. What's the flavor? Strawberry, mango?
English no.
Mango?
Kya mango?
Mango, nahi? Show me what you have.
English no.
Show me what you have. Show me. Okay, one egg.
One.
Yes, one. Okay, was having a hard time communicating, but look at that. I think this is Pakistani ice cream. Look at that. So he just opened up the little scoop and he just puts in the cone. Oh, and he just pushes it out like this. Oi! Nahi. No. Okay, let's try the Pakistani ice cream. I don't know what kind of flavor this is, but... Wow! Wow! Bro, this is amazing.
Good.
I think this is like condensed milk flavor. Tastes like badam. This is very good. Wow. This is one of the best ice cream I had in my life. And it's just in this random Pakistani food stall. Wow. Bangaga. Chingi maga mo.
Chani. You.
Yeah. Chinese. Yeah. Kitna paisa?
150 rupees.
Nahi. Why you lie?
150 rupees.
Okay.
50,000.
Okay.
No. 100.
Okay. Shukriya. Good? Okay. 5,000 ice cream in Pakistan completed.
It's so pleasing to see how much happiness a little money can bring, but not everyone needs it. Some Pakistani kids didn't take the money I offered, and that really surprised me. But of course, that's at the end of the video, so you'll have to keep watching. But for now, let's get some tea. And as you can see, I'm riding on the back of a motorcycle. Yeah, this Pakistani just offered himself to get me some tea, so we rode to some tea stall, and he literally bought me some tea and didn't want me to pay for it.
Okay, I'm making a video where I want to spend 5,000, but I guess he's gonna pay for me, so I cannot buy my tea.
You're perfectly okay over here.
Yeah.
I can take you around. Where do you live?
It's my last 2 hours actually in Pakistan.
And then you're flying to the airport?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just doing a final tour and then I'm going back home.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
the best. All the
Thank
best
you
to
so much.
man. You can sit here, all right?
Okay.
Anywhere that side, and you
Okay.
can have your tea.
Okay, thank you.
See you, mate.
While I was looking for a place to sit, a couple of Pakistanis invited me to join them, and we had a funny conversation.
It's not clean country. Dirty.
It's dirty country?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
I think it's okay. It's not bad.
It's not good country.
It's not good. What's the best country?
Nice country, Europe.
Where do you want? Germany,
France, Italy, Turkey, all are good.
America. Good or no? Very good.
Yeah, that's so good.
You like Israel?
No.
You want to go to Israel?
No. I know one.
They hate Israel right here, by the way.
Why you came here?
I don't know.
Why you don't know?
I don't know. I just came. I was walking and then I came to Pakistan.
There is no good things. There are no good.
Bro, he's just roasting his country. You should say only good things about your country, you know?
This is terrorist country. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Bye-bye. Oh, this is Pakistan, bro. This Pakistan. This Pakistan. I just stand up and the guys just start fighting, bro. In all these countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh, India, I just see fights all around. People have too much testosterone right here. Okay, so that guy paid for my tea, so I'm just gonna give a random person 5,000 now. I think it's a good exchange. You know, he paid for me, I was supposed to pay 5,000 for the tea, and now I'll just give 5,000 away to someone. So that would be fair.
After the tea, I kept exploring the streets. I tried to give this kid $20, but he didn't take it. I guess it's a little sus when a random white guy in a blazer tries to hand you some money. But another gentleman, sitting on a chair, accepted it.
For you. Shukriya. Thank you. This guy deserved it. I don't know, but I feel him. Okay? This is how you spread happiness. Alright guys, I still have 4 5,000 notes. I have no clue what to do with them.
The man who took me to get the tea was a Christian, and he told me there was a church nearby. So I checked it out. It was already closed, so I went to buy some Pakistani trinkets instead.
I'm gonna buy some souvenirs for back home. I'm actually going back home to Lithuania tomorrow, and there's like some Pakistani attributes right here that you can buy, and I can bring them home to Lithuania. Hi, how are you?
Are you fine?
Can I get 10 badges? And also, can I get 5 of these? Can I wear one? Wow, look at that. And I also got some souvenirs for my friends back home. How much is this?
750.
750?
Of course, I paid $20 for them.
Shukriya. Thank you. It's for you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye. No, it's for you. It's for you. Yes. Yes, the gift. Thank you. We got some souvenirs back home. Some Pakistani badges.
Alright, I promised you burgers. So here we go. A real Pakistani burger stand, where workers move faster than McDonald's.
Assalamu alaikum. Can I get one burger? Like this? Egg burger. Okay? Wow, look at this action. They're making them so fast. And he's preparing like 10 in advance, I think, for all the people. You're gonna get a burger? You like burgers? Wow, I can't even keep up with them. It's like a whole operation. That guy is like swishing the eggs. This guy is just like cooking them, adding some sauce. That guy is wrapping them. Onion. Okay. Some ketchupenzo, mayonnaise. Some spice. Wow. Oh, what is that? That's mystery. Let's try the Pakistani burger. Okay. Look at the inside. It's whew. Wow. 2 thumbs up. Was amazing. But I want to do a little bit different with these 5,000. I'm going to try to ask them to pay for all the people that are going to come with that money. I pay 5,000. 5,000 for everyone. For everyone, yeah. Whatever come here, you pay from this money. Okay? 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 For everyone. Okay?
So sweet.
I pay for you. Okay? It's okay? Hey, for everyone. Okay?
Yes.
Shukriya. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. I think it was a little bit better to just give them 5,000 and hope they are gonna pay for everyone.
The meal was super nice, but as it was getting dark, I decided to head closer to my hotel.
Shukriya. Kitne rupi? No, kitne pesa?
And the rickshaw driver, he also got $20.
Oh, okay. Shukriya. Shukriya. 5,000 is okay. Okay. Shukriya. Bye-bye. One final 5,000 left. Let's see who's gonna be the lucky person today.
Near my hotel, I went into a park to give out the last $20. And I found a group of kids taking pictures. But what happened next really surprised me.
Do you want 5,000 rupees?
Yeah, how?
You want?
No.
You don't want?
No.
I'm giving 5,000 rupees.
Thank you.
No, really?
You are guest.
Do you want 5,000 rupees? You want? I'm giving away 5,000 rupees. No, really.
For what?
For nothing.
Give away?
Yeah.
Thank you.
No, just take it.
You are guest.
Buy something nice. I'm leaving tomorrow, so I don't need this anymore, you know? I can't change it.
You are guest.
You really don't want?
can't.
Who should I give this to?
Any poor person?
Where can I find
Who
the
really
poor?
deserve this?
Yeah, who? You're a really good man. I'm gonna shake your hand, bro. You're very good people. Wow. I didn't expect this. I thought you're gonna take it right away. Wow. You should be very proud of yourself. Whom could I give the 5,000?
Any poor person you will see roaming around here.
Yeah.
You can give.
I should find them and give this to them.
Yeah.
Bro,
You
you,
really deserve this.
you guys are good.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Have a great day.
They didn't take the money. That made me so happy deep down to know that even in a place where many people struggle, morality is still intact. On that note, I wandered the streets and gave the last $20 to a man, but people on TikTok later said I gave it to the wrong person, calling him an F-16 jet fighter pilot, whatever that means. I hope you enjoyed, keep exploring, and see you next time.